Welcome to the Den of Tools.
Howdy ho, guys and gals, it's Red, your friendly neighborhood tool bear, back again here from the Den of Tools, and we got some fun stuff for you from over at Lowe's. I want to say it's quite leaked, but you're not going to find it in any of the flyers, you're not going to find it online or any of the ads or anywhere, but it is showing up in some stores. Now, I'm really excited about this because I love seeing power to electric, let's say cordless tool companies stepping outside their comfort zone and getting into some stuff that's a little bit more fun. Now, the hacking, DIY community has been doing stuff like this for years where they take, say, like one of these electric toy kind of, this is a motorcycle sidecar kind of thing, and they convert it, this one, they converted it to run on some Milwaukee batteries. But this is the first time I've been seeing it. Maybe you have seen it before, but we've got Razor here with built-in support for Kobalt power tools. Now, these are in-store at Lowe's, some locations. Again, I think they're rolling this out. I don't think they're really ready for this to be out there because we're not seeing it in any of the media. You can't look it up on their website or anywhere. But what we're seeing of this is we're seeing that, well, first of all, let me say big thank you to Sean for posting this over at the Den of Tools Facebook group. Again, if you're not a member over the Facebook group, I apologize, but that's where these hot deals and these rare finds show up. We try to share them as we can. We also have a Reddit group. We have a Discord. There's a forum over on the website at Den of Tools. A lot of ways that you can interact with the community. Anyway, thanks again, Sean, for posting this. But what we see here is a Razor scooter that allows us to take the Kobalt batteries. They're saying it's about $70 more than your typical Razor scooter. So I'm guessing it's going to be just under around, it's going to be like I think they said $180, $179, I believe was the price point. Now, my Cubs have had these before in the past, and they're lots of fun. But as soon as the battery's dead, which doesn't take very long, then they can't play with it anymore. But with these, with the batteries here, you can hot swap in and out other packs of batteries, and that's really going to extend the fun. Now, we're talking about the batteries. Now, you can get a Kobalt 4 amp hour battery. This is non-sale price. This is an everyday price. You get it for $60, which is one of the better prices you're going to see for a lithium ion battery pack. Now, you can get a 6 amp hour, which I believe is the largest that they have for the 24 volt max system. But that's going to run you $100. For that same price, you can get 2 4 amp hour batteries for that same price. And when these go on sale, the Kobalt, especially during the off season, right after Christmas, before spring really hits, you can really see some great deals on these batteries. So even if you're just getting them for the kids' toys, you can stock up throughout the year so that when spring comes and they're really going to start using them, you can have a bunch of batteries and even chargers set up to use with them. But we're not done with fun items over at Lowe's. We got the electric kid car. This is like the Power Wheels kind of thing we've seen. Steven got us this picture here. Thanks, Steven. And these things, my Cubs used to have a couple of them. I think we got them from Walmart, the Dune Racer kind of thing. Had tons of fun with those things, modded them, did all sorts of fun stuff with them. And they're brilliant. But I can be honest, my Cubs are pretty bummed right now that they're too little to use one of these. This is for ages 3 and up. It uses the Kobalt 40 volt. This is the outdoor power equipment battery that we see, and it's a great line of tools. So it's a well tried and true battery. So you're gonna have lots of fun with you and your little ones using this kind of thing. And on top of that, if they're little and you're not quite sure they're ready to have the wheel, this comes with you see right there, it's got a remote control. So the parent can sit there and if they get into a bad spot, you can be like, no, we're going to go back this way. Don't want any rollovers or anything like that. It says it has a USB port. Not sure what you're using that for because you're definitely not going to be charging it. I guess maybe you could charge your cell phone or something. Give him some tunes while he drives around. I don't know. Anyway, really fun and exciting to see them, expanding the line of things you can do with these batteries. Now, as far as these batteries, they can be a bit pricey, but here I got a hack here for you where you can get it a little bit cheaper. Even if you don't want the hedger, this is one of the ones they're blowing out right now. I mean, no one's trimming their hedges right now, so they're trying to make shelf space. So in I'd say about 15% of stores, you're going to see this. And if you live in a decent-sized town, good chances at least one store in town is going to have it. So we got the 40 volt max combo. This is going to get you the charger. It's going to get the battery and the tool, of course, whether you need it or not. Who cares? But this is normally $160. that battery and charger alone are around $100 or more. So guess what? This is on sale in some places for as low as $45. That's cheaper than a 4 amp hour battery in the 24 volt system. Are you kidding me? I mean, you could buy this, keep the battery and charger, sell the tool only for that much money on eBay, and now you got a free battery and an extra charger to go with your kid's car. I kid you not, it's hilarious. All right, now this isn't the first time that we've seen different companies partner with tool companies to expand the use of their battery systems. And we see here Ryobi was one of the first ones to do it with the RC cars. We saw a couple other companies doing it. We thought it was going to be a trend for a while, and it kind of went away. And I'm honestly disappointed with it. I thought it'd be really cool to be able to plug one of my, batteries, one of my tool batteries into an RC car when I'm bored to tool around with the Cubs and whatnot. Hopefully it'll make a comeback. And if this takes off, if Lowe's kills it this Christmas season, you can expect to see a lot more stuff using power tool batteries. I think that's a win for all of us. But anyway, while you're at Lowe's, I'm going to say we got a couple picks from other people who were, been in Lowe's recently. This looks like it's a setup pre-Black Friday. We're expecting that ad either late next week or early the week after that. As soon as we get it, we'll have a video posted, I promise. But we can see here already, we don't have any prices on it, but the Kobalt 1/2-inch impact, which is a tried and true tested impact. It's great impact. It's a prosumer level, but it's so good, it edges into that professional level. A lot of small shops I've been talking to have been using these. Now, that's going to be a great one. We're going to see a sale price on that. Currently, we're already seeing listed. Look at this. Your choice, $99. Now these are, I believe they're all tool only. We've got a 3/8 impact. We got the impact driver. We got the right angle drill. We got the, get this, we got the impact wrench, ratcheting wrench. We've got the standard ratcheting wrench. We've got a grinder, and we've got the rotary tool. All of those $100 each. These don't get me wrong. I know I'm stuttering here. I'm so excited. I think the Kobalt system is fantastic. It's one of my most recommended prosumer grade tools. And if you are looking to get in this line, get something that's a little bit more robust, but you don't want to lay out the prices for like Makita or Milwaukee, and have batteries that are as inexpensive as, say, like the Hercules line, which have some of the best cost per dollar batteries in the market, even after they raise their rates. This is a great system to get into. So, and then also we see a Dremel here for $59. Now this one, if you see down there in the lower right, it comes with the whole locking case with all the accessories. Normally $100. We're seeing $40 off on that. That, if you're looking for a rotary tool, it's hard to not go with something like this. It seems a great pickup. Anyway, that's all the Bear has for you today. Don't forget, if you're looking forward to some of these Black Friday sales, we already got the Home Depot one out. I think there's going to be more coming from Home Depot over the weeks to come. We're going to see more of them coming. I might even cover some of the Walmart stuff. I know that one's already out. Maybe I'll do that tomorrow. We'll see. There's some amazing stuff. Can I say Walmart? 65-inch 4K TV for just over $200. Just stunned. And people said that this Black Friday was not going to be a good one. Oh, good grief. It's going to be ridiculous. So don't forget to subscribe. Ring that bell if you want to get the notifications, because a lot of this stuff is going to be limited quantity. Anyway, you all take care. God bless. And as always, come on, say it with me. Shine on.